Are you searching for the best mileage correction tool, but feeling overwhelmed by all the options out there? Have you ever wondered which tool offers the most reliable performance, the broadest vehicle compatibility, and the smartest features for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts? Today, we're diving deep into the world of odometer correction tools, ranking the top 5 devices I've personally tested. From entry-level options to advanced, all-in-one solutions, I'll break down their real-world performance, highlight their best features, and point out where they fall short so you can make the smartest choice for your needs. Number 5. Xtool X100 Pro 2. The Xtool X100 Pro 2 is often recommended as a budget-friendly entry into the world of mileage correction and key programming. Out of the box, it offers a solid range of features, including immobilizer programming, OBDI diagnostics, EEPROM reading, and odometer adjustment. Its rugged, anti-seismic build makes it suitable for busy workshops and mobile mechanics alike. The device supports a wide selection of Asian, European, American, and Chinese vehicles, making it versatile for many users. However, my experience with the X100 Pro 2 was a bit mixed. While its menu-driven interface is easy to navigate, the tool requires immediate updates before you can use many of its core features. This can be frustrating, especially if you're eager to get started right away, or if you're not particularly tech-savvy one. During my tests, I found that the update process was not always smooth, and some vehicle models required additional files or manual intervention to function properly. In terms of performance, the X100 Pro 2 handled basic odometer adjustments and key programming tasks well on several Asian and American vehicles. But when I tried it on some European models, the compatibility was hit or miss. For example, it worked seamlessly with a Toyota and a Ford, but struggled with a late-model Volkswagen. The tool also lacks some of the advanced diagnostics and bidirectional controls found in higher-end devices, which limits its utility for more complex jobs. Number 4. Foxwell NT809. Moving up the list, the Foxwell NT809 stands out for its professional-grade diagnostics and user-friendly design. Powered by Android 9.0 and featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, the NT809 provides a fast, intuitive experience with smart scan technology and real-time data display. Its bidirectional control allows mechanics to send commands directly to vehicle components, making troubleshooting much more efficient. In my hands-on testing, the NT809 impressed with its extensive vehicle coverage and full system diagnostics. It supports a vast array of domestic, Asian, and European models, and can perform advanced functions like oil service reset, electronic parking brake service, battery matching, and more. The interface is as simple to use as a modern smartphone, which is a big plus for both seasoned techs and beginners. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The OBD cable included with the NT809 is shorter than ideal, which can be inconvenient if you're moving around the vehicle during diagnostics. While extension cables are easy to find, it's an extra step and cost to consider 18. Another minor annoyance is the lack of a dedicated power brick in the box. Most people have spares, but it feels like a corner cut at this price point. Despite these small issues, the NT809 remains a strong performer. The device's 30-plus service reset functions and bidirectional controls are features typically found in much more expensive tools. Its diagnostic reports can be easily saved, shared, or printed, making it a great choice for workshops that need to keep detailed records. 3. OBDPROG M500. At number 3, the OBDPROG M500 strikes an impressive balance between affordability and professional-grade features. This Android-based 5-inch tablet is purpose-built for cluster calibration and odometer correction, but it also offers oil service resets, DTC reading and clearing, and basic diagnostics. The M500's interface is straightforward, and the setup process, connecting to Wi-Fi and updating software, was quick and painless. During my testing, I found the M500 to be highly effective for mileage correction on a wide range of vehicles, especially VW and Fiat models. The tool's coverage is broad, but it's essential to check compatibility lists before purchase, as some dashboards and newer models may not be supported. The device is lightweight, portable, and the touchscreen is responsive, making it easy to use even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of the M500 is its regular software update cycle, ensuring that it stays relevant as new vehicles hit the market. I was able to perform odometer adjustments and oil service resets quickly, with clear prompts and helpful instructions throughout the process. The M500 also supports data backup and recovery, which is a lifesaver if you ever need to restore previous settings. While the M500 isn't as feature-rich as the top two tools, it excels at its core functions. It doesn't offer bidirectional controls or advanced diagnostics, but for mileage correction and basic maintenance, it delivers reliable results. Customer support and community feedback are generally positive, with users praising its effectiveness and ease of use. 2. Launch X431V Pro. The Launch X431V Pro is a powerhouse in the world of automotive diagnostics and mileage correction. This 8-inch tablet-based tool combines rugged construction with an incredibly wide range of functions, including full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, actuation tests, and a vast array of special functions like ABS bleeding, injector coding, and steering angle reset. Testing the X431V Pro felt like using a true dealer-level tool. It supports over 150 car makes and more than 10,000 vehicle models worldwide, covering both OBD1 and OBD2 protocols. The Bluetooth VCI makes it easy to move around the shop, and the tablet's robust rubberized case provides excellent protection against drops and rough handling. 12. The device's one-click Wi-Fi updates and remote diagnosis features are particularly useful for busy workshops. Mileage correction with the X431V Pro is fast, accurate, and supported on a wide range of vehicles. I found the tool's interface to be intuitive, with clear menus and helpful prompts. The ability to record, playback, and print diagnostic data is invaluable for maintaining service records and communicating with customers. What really sets the X431V Pro apart is its versatility. Beyond mileage correction, it handles virtually every diagnostic and maintenance task you can imagine. The only real downside is the price. It's a significant investment, but one that pays off quickly if you're servicing a variety of vehicles or running a professional garage. Number 1. OTOFIX IM1 XP1. Taking the crown at number 1 is the OTOFIX IM1 XP1, a truly all-in-one solution that excels at mileage correction, key programming, and advanced diagnostics. Built on a 7-inch Android tablet with a high-resolution touchscreen, the IM1 XP1 delivers a premium user experience with lightning-fast performance and a massive 5,800 mAh battery for all-day use. What makes the OTOFIX IM1 XP1 stand out is its unmatched vehicle coverage and feature set. It supports key programming for over 95% of common vehicle models, comprehensive system diagnostics, and more than 30 advanced service functions, including oil reset, ABS bleed, EPB, SAS, and BMS. The Auto VIN Scan feature makes vehicle identification effortless, and the cloud-based report management ensures your data is always accessible and secure. During my tests, the IM1 XP1 handled every odometer correction task I threw at it, from European luxury cars to Asian compacts, with flawless precision. The guided step-by-step instructions are perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros, and the device's robust hardware means you never have to worry about lag or crashes. The after-sales support is also top-notch, with professional experts available online to assist with any issues. Another major advantage is the device's future-proofing. With regular software updates and extensive online resources, the IM1 XP1 is designed to stay ahead of the curve as automotive technology evolves. Whether you're running a busy workshop or you're a serious enthusiast who demands the best, this tool delivers on every front. Final thought. There you have it, the top 5 mileage correction tools ranked and reviewed. Each tool has its strengths and weaknesses, but if you want the most reliable, versatile, and future-ready solution, the OTOFIX IM1 XP1 is my top pick. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most interested in, or if you have any questions about these devices.